Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, and today I'll go over unboxing of this device and just a quick spec look. So anyway, I just popped it straight open. Now I will admit it's already cut, so I don't need to do much here. Are you kidding me? This is like literal Bible for a smartwatch. Anyway, let's just eat that to the side. And that's all. Cable, type A to some magnetic plug. And here we get the watch. Yeah, so there's no buttons on it. So I assume to turn it on I do need to use the charger. Just quickly plug it in. And oh, there we go. Okay, so while it's turning on, let's quickly go into the look into the spec list right here. So in terms of the display, which just displayed, let me just try to show you the actual display. So here you go, you can see the bezels right now when the light is reflecting like this. So the bezels are quite substantial, especially at the bottom, and this is a pretty decent bezel right there. Rest of them are okay for a watch. Anyway, so resolution right here is 280 by 456 pixels, which puts it at 326 pixels per inch. And in terms of brightness, we're looking at up to 500 nits, and we have what's called apparently 2.5D micro curved glass. Now to clarify what this jumbled mess of just jargon means is just a tempered glass that is curved, because it does have like a little bit of roundness to it right here. That's what they mean by 2.5D. It's a way of basically trying to say that we have a curved display, but we actually don't. It's just the glass that is curved. So there we go. Anyway, moving on, we have a pretty decent battery life here, and we're looking at about what they meaning Xiaomi. I'm getting all the specs from their website. So what Xiaomi claims is typical use time is about 12 days with a battery capacity of 235 milliamp hours. So that is a pretty decent battery life for such a small device, to be honest. But then that's kind of the Xiaomi Mi Band trademark, I would assume, at this point. Let's see what else is there to say about it. So we have SpO2 tracking, so blood oxygenation, obviously sleep tracking, health monitoring, and all that stuff is in here. It's a fitness band, so it prioritizes on this. And another thing that is actually nice that it has is a 5 atmosphere water resistance. Now, if you don't know what 5 atmosphere is, it's roughly about 50 meters depth. Now, I have no idea how many feet that is. That's not my metric system, so I'm only operating in meters, and it's about 50 meters. We have, what else we have? Bluetooth 5.2, so it should be more or less power intensive on the device. So basically an improved Bluetooth on this device. And we have some Mi Fitnesses. We have operating system supported starting from Android 6. Basically to the highest one, and also works on iOS 12 or higher. So you can use that even with your iPhone if you want to. And that's basically about it. So not much more to say about it. It's a fitness tracker. Now I didn't go through the setup just because I don't really want to download their app and go through the pairing process right now. There will be a separate video for this if you're interested. But this was just like a quick look on how this looks like, and also just read off the specs that are on their website. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.